Yeah. Slow mo.
Hi Nail Fam, I hope that you are well. So Makartt was kind enough to send me over their Pink and Bling Polygel kit to review and unbox for you guys in support of Breast Cancer Awareness Month. I personally have lost a family member to breast cancer, so I'm very happy to be a part of this support collab that Makartt has going on. So in this Pink and Bling kit, there is an information pamphlet. There's 3 boxes in here. We do have the polygel set at the bottom of the box, and then we have these 2 other boxes here. So I'm just going to quickly open this smaller one here and show you the contents inside. And we have a plug as well as a mini UV lamp, which is very convenient for beginners. Like, this would be good, especially also if you are traveling and you want to do something really quick with your nails. And as you can see here, it has the Makartt logo on there, beautiful pink bottom, and your little 6 LED lights in there as well. So this next box here, as you can see, it says beautiful glitter powders. So as you can see from the first thing that I pulled out, it is a set of 4 beautiful glitters. We also have this box here, and these are the nail dual forms. I don't use dual forms, but I'll definitely use the box for some nail charms. And we also had some nail forms there as well. I don't use those. And then we have these gorgeous flat back rhinestones. One set is just really clear, and the other one is kind of iridescent or holographic. And then we have these 4 jars here, each one with a different set of glitter. Just going to pour these out, then we're going to take a quick peek at all of the lovely colors in here. And as you can see already, like, all of the colors are stunning and they would go really well with these polygels. So this first one here is the white glitter, very elegant, very sparkly. We seem to have a royal blue fine glitter mix here. And we have a kind of silver or holographic glitter mix here as well. I'm just going to quickly open this one because I can't really see it too. Oh, good. So they do have like little stoppers or cover things in them to prevent the glitter from spilling out. Nothing like having a package delivered and there's glitter every single where. And then this last one is like a beautiful metallic pink glitter there as well. So here are the polygels. There are 6 in total, and then as you can see, they are clear, and then there's different pink colors in here. 2 of these are jelly as well. It does include a slip solution, which can also be used as a nail surface cleaner. And then we have our 180 file, pink file, as well as a polygel brush and spatula. And as you can see, the beautiful Makartt logo on there. Just taking a quick peek at the brush. It's nice and brown. I love brushes there as well. And also, last but not least, this kit also comes with a base coat as well as a top coat just for you. So really and truly, this kit has everything you need to do some really stunning nails. So now let's move on to swatching each one of these polygel colors, starting off with this first one. And we have a gorgeous clear polygel. And then we have a kind of jelly light pink polygel there. It's absolutely stunning. Look how beautiful that is. Very translucent there. Moving on to the third polygel, which is a nice soft baby pink. And then we have a darker pink. Just gonna go ahead and use the spatula here and just pat these into place. And as you can see, they are just easy to get into position, very easy to use. They're not sticking to my brush. Moving on to the final 2, we have this gorgeous, really hot pink. color there. And then this one's also, both of them are hot pink, but one of them is actually a jelly, which is this last one here. Absolutely gorgeous colors. They completely reminds me of like a Barbie princess. It's really stunning and is very bold and bright. So these would actually do really well for like spring as well as the summer seasons. But for this Breast Cancer Awareness Month, definitely wanted to pay tribute to the women that did fight for their lives, really and truly. And some of them lost that battle, and some were blessed enough to make it. So I salute all of the strong women out there every day, just being amazing. So let's get started with this nail design. I'm going to be doing the Lazy Girl method. I've already applied a layer of foil glue and base gel to my nails, to my natural nail bed, because I will be popping these nails back off. And now I've applied a layer of base gel to the nail tip. And I'm now just going to go in with one of these polygels. And these are the three colors that I decided to go with. A gorgeous, bright, jelly pink, and then the soft pink as well. So firstly, I'm just going to go ahead and fill this nail up about 2/3 of the way. And then I'm going to take my spatula. I'm going to use the Makartt Femi Beauty one because I don't need to open up the new one because I have a brush already. And just going to spray this with a little bit of isopropyl alcohol. And then we're just going to pat this nail, this polygel, which is a gorgeous, gorgeous jelly polygel, into place all over the nails. Once I am done patting this into place, then I simply apply it to my nail bed. What I also started doing is when I am applying the Lazy Girl method, also called the Femi Beauty method, I don't go all the way to the cuticle. I kind of go just a little bit above the cuticle area and just kind of slide it backwards just to prevent that polygel from kind of like rimming over, if you get what I mean. And I'm doing the exact same color of polygel on my ring finger, patting it down into place and then applying it to my finger. So for my middle finger, I'm going to be going in with that kind of soft baby pink polygel for the ring finger, for the middle finger, sorry. And this color, I will say, was a little bit sticky for me. I may not have had enough isopropyl alcohol on the brush when I was applying this one to my finger. I didn't have any issues with the other ones. So just be mindful that when you are applying this particular color, you may have a little bit of stickiness issues. So just make sure that you have a wet enough brush. So we're down to the last two fingers, and we're going to take that beautiful, gorgeous kind of, this is exactly the same color as the jelly, except that it's a little bit more base, a little bit more creamy. So I'm going to take this kind of fuchsia polygel, and I'm going to be applying this to the index as well as the pinky finger. Once all the nails are on, this is how they look so far. So I'm going to take my 100-180 file as well as my buffer, and I'm going to file around the edge of the tip of the nail, and then I'm going to take my buffer and just kind of remove that surface shine from the nail And then once I'm done kind of buffing, I take my 180 file, I use the 100 side once more, and I just kind of go around the sides and the cuticle area just to make sure that if there is any excess polygel, you know, around those areas, I kind of file that off and to make it a little bit more even and flush with my skin. Remember to dust off the excess dust and also spray some isopropyl alcohol and wipe your nails down, following which I will now go ahead and apply a layer of base gel over all of the nails. So now we're ready for some nail design. We have our color already sorted, which is the beauty of the Lazy Girl method. Once you have your color in, that's it. You just gotta design the top part. So I'm going in with some rhinestone glue onto my ring finger here. And I'm gonna take some bling that I have here lying around, and I'm just gonna apply it to the nail. So I'm gonna start first off with this gorgeous kind of, I don't know, swirly kind of, I don't know, nail charm. And I'm just going to put that to the top of the nail and position that. For some reason, my nail charms are always sliding around when I use this rhinestone gel. So maybe I need something a little bit, you know, stronger. Taking this white flower as well and putting it to the center there. And then I'm just going to add some of the Makartt top gel because I ran out of rhinestone glue, and I'm going to put the flat back rhinestones that was in this pink and Bling Polygel kit onto the nail. So I'm just going to use like 3 different sizes. And that is basically my little elegant design for this nail. And this exact same design I do on my index finger as well. So these 2 nails will be the only 2 nails that have kind of like, you know, any rhinestones and bling on there. So I like it so far. I feel like I could have easily just left this nail alone, you know, as is. It didn't need much, but of course, knowing me, I just have to add something a little extra. And I do have these glitters from Makartt as well, so I really just wanted to use the glitter. And I'm not 100% sure if it's going to be too much. Like, you know, sometimes you have to dial it back. You don't always have to have thousands and thousands of things on your nails. So in case I don't like this, I go in with a layer of top gel over all the nails so that if I don't like the glitter, I can easily just wipe it off, you know, because if this is on base gel, sometimes the glitter can be really difficult. So to apply this glitter design to the nail, I'm going to go in with this peachy gel polish from the Femi Beauty Makartt collection, and I'm just going to do like a little French, a U French onto this nail. I don't cure this as yet. I just pour the glitter on afterwards. So I'm just using this kind of gel polish just to have a sticky layer to apply the glitter to. And this is this white, gorgeous, elegant looking glitter that was inside this pink and bling kit. It can easily be used for weddings and special occasions. It's just a really stunning color. And you could also use this glitter over any kind of jelly polish. I feel like it would look better over jelly polish. You could use this over base polish as well. So you just pour this on to the wet gel polish that you have underneath. Tap off any excess. Here's how it looks. Really beautiful. I don't know. Do you think it's too much? I don't know. I feel like it's okay. And I did stare at my finger for like, you know, 5 minutes wondering if it was too much. But anyway, I liked it. I cured it. And now I'm taking my brush and I'm dusting off the excess. And then I'm going to do the exact same thing on my thumb. So after I've applied those glitters to the fingers, you know, the middle finger is looking quite lonely and bare. So we need to add a little something to this as well. And we also need to tie in breast cancer awareness to this nail design. So I'm going to take this gel polish Frickin' from the Femi Beauty and Makartt collection. And I'm going to use this to draw some of the pink ribbons onto this nail. I'm just going to take some of the gel polish and put onto my little paint palette here. And then I'm going to grab my liner brush, my thin, medium-sized liner brush, and we're just going to draw some ribbons onto the nail. Start off really slow. It doesn't need to be 100% perfect. You know, I took my time on this and just kind of, you know, it's almost like fishes. Like, you know how I used to draw the fish back in the day, back in primary school. So that's basically all that I did here. And once I had the first one on, then I went ahead and drew a few more on all over the nail. I cured that under my UV lamp, and then I applied a layer of top gel to the nail. Alrighty, so here is the final look. I think they look really stunning and really elegant. Thank you again to Makartt. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.